Solenoid valves, flowmeter and check valve. Access. For access to the solenoid valve assembly, the engineer needs to make sure that the machine is switched off and then remove the left side panel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 2 screws on the top panel. The tools required are 7, 12 and 14 mm wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver and clippers. Flowmeter and check valve. The flowmeter is located at the base of the solenoid valve support. To replace, disconnect the wiring connections and the inlet and outlet pipes in Teflon using a 12 mm wrench and with a 7 mm wrench, the 2 screws fastening the flowmeter to the base. The check valve body is located at the flowmeter inlet. Solenoid valves. The top part of the left side panel, from the left, is where we find the solenoids for steam, hot water, cappuccino maker and air for the coffee circuit. Lower down, from the left, are the add water, coffee pouring and automatic level solenoids. Coffee solenoid valve. To remove the coffee solenoid valve, the engineer needs to switch off the machine and open the front panel. First removing the grounds drawer and turning the key anti-clockwise. From the front position, with the door open, the engineer needs to remove the pouring tube, pressing on the ring and pulling the Teflon tube outwards. Insert a 4 mm Teflon pipe. Remove the nut with a 14 mm wrench and then push the fitting inwards. To remove the coffee solenoid valve definitively, the engineer will move to the left side of the machine. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the solenoid valve head, then a 12 mm wrench to remove the inlet pipe. And a 7 mm wrench to remove the nut securing the solenoid valve to the frame. Slide out the solenoid valve and remove the outlet and waste pipe. At this stage, the importance of the 4 mm Teflon pipe will become evident, since it makes it easier to recover the fitting and therefore to refit the parts. Solenoid valve replacement. For all solenoid valves, excluding the coffee solenoid, the removal procedure includes the following. Remove the head of the solenoid using a Phillips head screwdriver. Take out the inlet pipe. Use a 7 mm wrench to loosen the nut locking the valve to the frame. Slide out the solenoid and then remove the outlet pipe and waste pipe if present.